If a client signs up to your waiting list for a class, you're going to see the details of who's on your waiting list in classes and class waiting list. Now in here we can see that currently there are 2 people signed up to a waiting list. Now the system will automatically delete those 2 attendees from your waiting list 48 hours after the class that they're interested in has passed. So they're both interested in the class on January 4th. So 2 days after that, so at 9 a.m. on Monday or 9:01 a.m. on Monday, the 6th of January, the system will automatically delete these entries because, as far as it's concerned, you no longer need this information anymore. These people were interested in a class that's gone now. They're never going to get a chance to join it. So if you want to turn off that functionality, you want to keep these because maybe down the line you want to inform them that a new class is coming up that they might be interested in. You can turn off that automatic cleaning list, so to do cleaning of your waiting list. So to do that, you will say no. I will delete the data when I'm finished with myself. Now, if you try and save that, you're going to need to put some information in here. And the reason this is you need to put some information in here is because when they sign up to your waiting list, you need to tell them this is why I'm using this is what I'm storing your data for, and this is when I will delete it, etc. So we won't control that. If you want to delete this information yourself, you can do so, but you're going to have to tell the client why you're saving it. So I've entered a reason in here now, so now I'll be allowed to save it. And if a client attempts to sign up to the waiting list now, so if we go out here to the public facing page and we go classes and we'll go with this one, you can see this Saturday there's no availability. So if a client attempts to sign up to the waiting list, they're going to see that reason. So by signing up to the waiting list, the default information is here, but we will keep you informed about similar classes that we will schedule in future. And that's what that client is signing up for. So now I'm signing up to the waiting list under these terms. So back in the dashboard, if we go to the waiting list, we're going to see the new entry on the waiting list. But what you need to bear in mind is on 48 hours after the 4th of January, these 2 entries are going to be cleaned off the dating list because when these 2 signed up, um, what they agreed to was that their data would be cleaned 48 hours after the 4th of January. It's only this entry that will still remain, and that will be there as long as you keep it there. And if you want, when the time comes for you to delete it, you can delete the selected, and that's it.